Hello students. So today through this video we'll be discussing about the invention of the microscope and the discovery of cell. The first microscope was constructed by Dutch scientist Antony van Leeuwenhoek. In 1874 Antony van Leeuwenhoek built first microscope. He is commonly known as the father of microbiology and considered to be the first microbiologist. He is best known for his work on the improvement of the microscope and for his contributions toward the establishment of microbiology. Okay, he was an ordinary public official who ground lenses and made microscopic observations as a hobby. He is said to have constructed 400 microscopes. Basically, all his microscopes consisted of a single biconvex lens and were called simple microscopes. And some of these microscopes had a considerable magnifying power up to 200 times. Okay, in this microscope, the eye was applied close to the lens on one side and the object was mounted on the needle like screw point on the opposite side of the lens. Robert Hooke, an English scientist, developed a microscope by using two lenses for achieving greater magnification. Robert Hooke, the first person to see a cell under a microscope, the first to describe the unit life to be called a cell, he invented the compound light microscope. He became a scientist in the year 1655 when he was only 20 years old, and when Robert Hooke was 27 years old, he was appointed curator of experiments. Okay, so in the right hand side, that is mainly showing the microscope, Robert Hooke's microscope, which was worked by the light from an oil lamp focused on the object below the microscope by a flask filled with water. Uh, then there is the eyepiece, objective lens, and tube, respectively. There, okay, and Hooke's. Okay, now in Hooke's microscope, the object to be seen was placed on the stage below, and light from an oil flame was thrown on it by means of a concave mirror. Hooke examined a thin slice of cork under his microscope and observed that it was made of tiny box-like compartments piled up together. These reminded him of the rooms or cells or monks in a monastery, and so he said that the cork was made up of cells. The cells which Hooke saw were all dead cells, and they had only the empty boxes or the cell walls. This is the ordinary compound light microscope. The ordinary light microscope of today is a greatly improved design of the original Hooke's microscope. And in this diagram, in this figure, you can see the different parts which I have labeled, which is labeled here with red bold, and this is indicating the different structural parts of a compound light microscope. The invention of the electron microscope added further to unknown facts about cells. It can give a magnification to over 200,000 times as against the ordinary compound microscope, which magnifies an object up to a maximum of about 2000 times. The ordinary compound microscope uses light which is bent by glass lenses to magnify the image, while this electron microscope, it uses beams of electrons which are bent by magnets. Okay, so this is about the discovery of the microscopes from simple to now this modern electron microscope. So thank you for watching this video.